Yeah. So then you look at, so you have a server, let's say you have a server somewhere, you have a PDM vault maybe. Then you start looking at, okay, can I virtualize my workstations as well? And that's what this is. This is a virtual desktop instance, or a VDI, or a virtual workstation. We get a lot of questions about these. We can do GPU enabled virtual workstations. So the idea here is that you would, instead of buying a brand new computer every couple of years for your engineering team, you could use one of these virtual workstations, and you can use it for other things too. So it can be a task machine for you, all kinds of other things like that. But one of the keys here is that these are running in the same data center as our EpiGrid servers, or your PDM Vault central location. So that connection between the two is instant, so check in and check out, downloading files from the server, from the central location is pretty much instant because they're right there in the same building. So there's a lot of advantages to that. When it comes to security, so we have here a little line that says PC security as a service. And the idea there is we can take these and we can build these secure enclaves with these virtual workstations. So we have a couple customers that have everything in this virtual environment. So they're not pulling any data out to their local computers. So an employee leaves the company, we can just change the password on that virtual workstation and everything's changed. Everything's locked out. You can say if someone needs to view some data, you can give them access, contractors, things like that. You can give them access through this virtual machine. All of your SolidWorks instances, or even other software, Microsoft, anything you want to put on there, can be running in this virtual workstation. So it's basically just putting your computer into this nice, secure enclave. And there's a lot of security advantages to doing that.
And it's a full Windows 11 environment. It's not
Mhm.
like some weird interface where you have to relearn a computer. It's just a Windows 11 computer in the cloud with full GPU resources.
Yeah.
And we can adjust the specs to accommodate like a simulation workload if it requires more CPU heavy stuff, or we can, scale up the GPU to a certain extent as well, if that's really the type of work that you're doing. But
Yeah, we
these
see a couple people have electrical, a couple people have simulation, and then the other two users have just regular SolidWorks design work, so you can kind of scale those differently for each one.
Yeah, so if you're looking to get out of the workstation game, you're never going to get away from computers entirely. You need some sort of device
Not
to
yet.
access the VDI, but the reality is that can now be a Chromebook, a $250 computer, or a tablet even. You're not as limited with the VDI because you don't need a really expensive local workstation to run it. You just need something with an internet connection, and then all the computation happens in the cloud at the data center.
Yeah, and these are tested thoroughly by us when it comes to things like 3D connection pass through, a 3D mouse, or a any kind of other things like that you might use that interact with CAD software. So that's where we're a little bit different, I think, than some companies that do this, is that we actually kind of gear these towards SolidWorks and CAD. So it really comes down to things like the GPU as well. So you really need that NVIDIA GPU behind it so that SolidWorks runs better, and you have real view graphics and things like that. And when it comes to simulation or rendering, you really need the GPU as well to help there. So there's a lot of advantages to building these correctly for CAD.
And the same exact statement is true about the maintenance of the VDIs, because think of
Yeah.
how much maintenance you have to do to a workstation with Windows updates, driver updates, software compatibility. All of that is taken care of for you. We just give you the fully fledged
Mhm.
environment. You bring your own license, and we get you connected.